I get a feeling they don't care anymore. I feel the same, but it's coming up harder than I thought. I can't turn away. They call it freedom, but they already know it's just a game to keep you locked out of your own thoughts. Don't play that game. The screaming silence and the bragging of sound, the damning angels and the sirens are found. Playing numbers, yet no lessons be learned. You can't explain, but it's taking a turn. The bonds are breaking and we're screaming for cohesion. The dead are laying and we're pleading to be living. So what's the cause? Be it dead, be it dying, be it love. Let them tell you that you're living the course. Let them tell you that you get everything that you want if you live your life like theirs. They can tell you what to think and say, even tell you that you've lived your life this way, if it gets you to say what they say. The screaming silence and the bragging of sound, the damning angels and the sirens are found. Playing numbers, yet no lessons be learned. You can't explain it, but it's taking a turn. The bonds are breaking and we're screaming for cohesion. The dead are laying and we're pleading to be living. So what's the cause? Be it dead, be it time, be it love. See your garden bear the fruit that's been sown. See them marching to the fields with them guns. See them dying for the fruit that you thought was being grown. In the violence while the books are being burned, in the land where the dissidents are killed, in your heart your spirit will lay unsure. They'll never learn. The screaming silence and the bragging of sound, the damning angels and the sirens are found. Playing numbers, yet no lessons be learned. You can't explain it, but it's taking a turn. The bonds are breaking